Welcome to Datalynx's YouTube channel. This lesson focuses on business groups. They are used to categorize or create logical groupings of items so they can be referenced collectively. Click on the Business Groups button from the Processing Configuration toolbar. Once you do, the Business Groups window will pop up. At first glance, you'll notice a search bar where you can search by business group or description. If you want precise results, you can enable exact match when specifying your search values. Feel free to test it out once you have your list of business groups. Let's start by adding a new one. Click on the New button to access the Business Group Maintenance window. In this window, provide the group name and description for your business group. For example, we entered Product Categories as the name and the same as the description. Once done, click the Save button to return to the main window. Here, you have two options for entering group items: 1. By manually entering it, or 2. Importing it. Let's do it manually first. You'll see a New button. Click on it and enter your first group item, along with the description. If you want to add more items, simply click the Add button. Once done, hit the Save button. Similarly, you can edit the items by clicking on the Edit button, making necessary changes, and saving it. If you want to remove any item, click on it first, then hit the Delete button. A warning window will appear. Click Yes to proceed. Similarly, you can delete all items at once by clicking the Delete All button. Now let's explore the second option, which involves importing all the items by clicking on the Import List button. Before proceeding, ensure that you have a CSV file stored in the environment and ready to be pointed to. The CSV file should have a straightforward structure with item and description columns. Now, let's import the list from the corresponding CSV file. Direct it towards the file. You can enable as header and click the Import button to proceed. Once done, you'll notice that the items have been successfully imported, saving a significant amount of time. Similarly, you have the option to export the list. This can be useful if you intend to import it into another environment. Likewise, you can prepare a business groups folder with all the respective CSV files so you can load all of them at once. To import multiple business groups, click the Import button on Business Group pane. You have two options to import. 1. Merge. Merging will import all the new files, but it will not replicate if a file pre-exists. Merging also adds new items if the files are updated. The option 2 is to purge. Purging will purge the group items and re-import them. We'll demonstrate the results shortly, but let's start with merging. Simply point it to the Business Groups folder. Click the Select Folder button. You'll see all the files uploaded at once, forming the list of business groups. If you have appended another list of items to the existing business group, for example, product subcategory. Example, in the respective CSV file, let's add a new value and save it. Once saved, you might have a backup created. Please delete it. This will reduce the chance of not picking the backed up file. Now, we can go back to Exchange. Click the Import button. Then, select the Merge option, choose the appropriate folder, and click Select Folder. The new items will be automatically added to the list. In this video, we added only the bells, so you can see them in the list. Similarly, in the Product Size business group, if you have removed certain items from the CSV file, example the L, M, S, and XL plus added more items, you can choose the Purge option. This will purge and re-import the items. Point it to the corresponding folder, and click Select Folder. The items list, suppose in product size, will be purged, hence, S, M, L, and XL values will be removed in the new import. Likewise, if you wish to edit the business group and description, please click the Edit button. Make necessary changes, and click the Save button. To delete a business group, click the Delete button. A warning window will appear. Click Yes to confirm. Lastly, you can export the groups in CSV files format. This can be handy if you wish to import it in a different environment, or simply create a backup. You can easily apply this business group while data mapping. Please watch Lesson 12 to learn more about it. We hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.